Greetings to all judges and panelists. We team BrainStormers as Sanya Agrawal, Malai Saxena, Krishna Mrathi and Ajinkya Taranikar from GSITS College, Indore are here to propose a solution under healthcare theme which will be revolutionary to processes of healthcare industry. So now introducing to the problem. So our problem is people are not able to maintain all their health records properly and are unable to present them to doctors at the time of emergency. Also, people are unable to find appropriate doctor according to the problems. Now, we did some brainstorming and come up with some possibilities. So, we are providing better and simple way to maintain medical history of individuals so that a doctor can get quick and better insights of a patient's profile. We are also helping people to find nearby doctors and get consultations through both online and offline mode through our system. Key points to our solution are: system would be linked with Aadhaar card. Users will get simple to use interfaces. Doctors will get quick analysis of patient's medical history. Users will get in-system support of high-end video call. Digitalizing the mechanism of giving of consultation. Moving forward to our system. Our patient's interface includes automatic dashboard builder for patients without hassling to manage their medical records. They can share the profiles to their dear ones, doctors, and whoever they want to share with. The medical records are linked with Aadhaar card so they can be accessed anywhere with high-end security. This is the flow of the patient. Here comes our next user, doctor. Doctor can view the profile of patients and get a quick analysis of the patient's profile. Consultation and prescriptions can be digitally added by the doctor, improving the consultation process for a doctor. A doctor can easily include other doctors in a medical scene, which will improve the collaboration between the doctors. Here comes the flow of the doctor.
We have incorporated some utilities for better experience for user. First, disease prediction. Predicting diseases from the symptoms reported by the users. We are having prescription OCR, where extraction of details from the uploaded prescription. We are having video call support for communication between doctor and patient. We have also incorporated chatbot for making the system more interactive for the patients where they can discuss their problems. We are having also feature of sharing profile to the authorized user where user can share profile to doctors and dear ones and whomsoever it concerns. In technical implementation, we have used TF-IDF vectorizer for keyword extraction from our scrape database. We have used fuzzy wuzzy search for optimum search results. For OCR, we have used OpenCV and Tabula to extract details from the prescription to tables. Now coming to the data storage and security. As we are dealing with the health data, which is the most critical information of a particular individual, so we need utmost security in our system. In our system, we are having many relationships. We want fast query to certain business use cases and security of patient details as the primary factor. We need to use some combination of DB technologies. We have used Azure SQL DB for transactional database for storing all the entities and relationships. For storing the medical reports, that needs to be immutable after adding it. So we thought of to use blockchain concept. Thus, we have used Quorum blockchain service as our blockchain implementation, where each patient will have the blockchain and each node would represent its particular medical reports. So whenever there will be addition of medical reports, it will be added to patient's chain as a new node. Now we also want to have fast query to certain derived data. So at the background, we'll be having processes running that will be doing some background tasks and will store the derived details from the Azure SQL DB and from the blockchains to Azure Cache for Redis, where we will be storing the data for later query results. Thus, this makes our system resilient to data storage, data security, and fast query results. Coming to tech stack, In front-end, we have used React, Figma, and Jitsi Meet. In back-end, we have used Spring Boot for back-end. For ML services, we have used Fast API, Azure Notebooks, Cognitive Services, and Quorum Blockchain. For database and server, we have used Azure S20B as DBMS. We have used Azure Virtual Machine of 4 GB RAM and 2 core CPU processor. We have used Azure Cache for Redis. Highlighting to the advantages, we are having customer owns his or her profile. One race, two records. Beautiful yet powerful analysis. And AI assist with patient. Now winding up our system with the future scope. We can have Aadhaar API integration with government permission. We want the central government can have a central repository for all the citizens' data, maintaining the medical status of the country. We can have integration of quorum blockchain services with the database. Thank you.